You, with your masquerading, and you, always contemplating what to do. In case happiness found you, can't you see that it's all around you? So follow me. Hey, come on, babe. Follow me. I'm the Pied Piper. Follow me. I'm the Pied Piper. And I'll show you where it's at. Come on, babe. Can't you see? I'm the Pied Piper. Trust in me. I'm the Pied Piper. And I'll show you where it's at. Don't be scared to move, hey babe. What are you trying to prove? It ain't true that your life has kicked you. It's your mind, and that's all that's tricking you. So step in line. Hey, come on, babe. Follow me. I'm the Pied Piper. Follow me. I'm the Pied Piper. And I'll show you where it's at. Come on, babe. Can't you see? I'm the Pied Piper. Trust in me. I'm the Pied Piper. And I'll show you where it's at. Come on, babe. Follow me. I'm the Pied Piper. Follow me. I'm the Pied Piper. And I'll show you where it's at. Come on, babe. Can't you see? I'm the Pied Piper. Trust in me. I'm the Pied Piper. And I'll show you where it's at. Come on, babe. Follow me. Come on, babe. Trust in me. Come on, babe. Can't you see? Come on, babe. Follow me. I'm the Pied Piper.
Oh!
Hi, I'm Alexis Waite.
Hey, Eero Etala. Hey, Kisorsa.
Aaron Comstock, session 4!
Kept it going till the sun fell down.
Oh! Yes! Did you film that? Oh God! Oh! What? There's only one tramp skater at this camp, fool.
Did you see that? That just did an amazing, awesome trick, and I was pumped.
Mountain biking!
Session 4, water rafting. Woo!
Action, right ankle.
Imported to the woods.
I am about to get a water gun up the nose for a free Cobra Dog and Slushy.
Saw you on the swings, you were looking at the sky. Turned around and told me there's one reason why. You're the keeper of your dreams and the dreamer.
We're gonna shred so hard, gypsies are gonna cry.
Did you get a 5?
Said it was okay in the meadow where we lay, but then you went and cried when the hourglass went dry. I walked with you for hours. You gently held my hand.
That was 10. That's 10 push-ups. I told you to look at it first. Making these gypsies cry. These hips are the bomb, boys. start for the day. Gypsy magic.
What trick did you learn today?
I learned on Drake's hand plants.
180 on, switch back 3 out.
503 kink.
Back threes.
Backside switch ups, blunt stalls.
Front board.
Board slides through kinks.
Backflip. T70 on.
Front side 5-0.
Backside 5-0. Cab 540.
Front board.
Back 3, huh?
Pole jam front board. 50 catch 70 front board.
Hey, tonight, gonna be tonight. Don't you know I'm flying tonight? Tonight. Hey, come on. Gonna chase tomorrow. Tonight. Tonight. Gonna get it to the rafters. Oh, speed now. Jody's gonna get released.
History Clinic, Session 4, Creative Thinking 101. I'm going to shred these snow pipes. Kids are going to come up with random ideas and make them come to life.
Gonna hear the song tonight. Tonight. Gonna get it to the rafters. Watch me now. Jody's gonna get religion all night long. Hey, tonight, gonna be tonight. Don't you know I'm flying tonight? Tonight. Tonight. Tonight.
With a little bit of gold in a page. With a little bit of gold in a page.
First stop the skate tour, Vancouver. What up, guys?
Page, gold, page.
Cool kids.
With a little bit of gold in a page.
Cool kids.
With a little bit of gold in a page.
Yup.
With a little bit of gold page. With a little bit of gold in a page.
Pedal down the foot, yeah. Wheelies on the front wheel, real chuck. Not for play home, bro. I made those and those. I skate those and these. I take those and wear them like I made those. Even if I don't, cuz I'll take those like that. Put them in my knapsack, snap the top latch. 4-finger ring on my belt buckle strap. Got a hold of my jeans, cause they falling off my. Then you gotta check these Nikes at the bottom of my pants. Then you
Hey,
gotta
here
check
we are at Battleground Skate Park.
just got it activated, he ain't even gotta ask. So if my phone's off, you can page my ass. So I guess what it is I'm who I is, and I'm well aware. Gold ropes what I wear, and they big and they hang and they swing here to there, and I'm here.
With a little bit of gold in a page. With a little bit of gold in a page. With a little bit of gold.
Who be I? Mikey Rocks, I'm a graduate of Cooley High. The last day of school, threw my hat in the air with a new pair of shoes with the gum so posed for the class picture. And I flick like a glass fixture when the tip of your finger hits the switch. So, with a little bit of go, Motorola page, a fresh haircut, clean shave with the razor. With a little bit of go, with a little bit of go.
Here we are, Marshmallow Mountain, taking hot laps with the bros. Scott Stevens. Is that you? Scott? Oh, Shane. Shane, nice. Nice move, man. That was sweet.
Hi. We're doing signature Snickers medium jump session. If they land a trick that they're practicing and haven't really landed, then they get a Peanotropolis Snickers.
Dance all night, play all day, doing nothing, getting away. Dance all night, keep the beat, don't work out to the beat. Shake it up, shake it up, shake it up, shake it up. Dance all night, get real loose. You're welcome. You don't need no bad excuse. Dance all night with anyone. Don't let nobody pick your bone. Shake it up, shake it up.
Yeah!
Shake it up,
That was the coolest thing ever.
shake it up. Dance all night. Dance all night.
Small boy here, 100 plus to 7. Gonna get it now.
Hi, we're at signature session for 4 with Aaron Hickey, Alexa Canaro, and we're at soccer.
Dance all night, whirl your hair, make a naughty dance, dance all night, go to work, do the move with the quickie jerk, shake it up.
Here we are at a Roxy activity. We have about 40 items of clothing. The girls are going to come together each house and make the best 80s outfit for the end of the week. They're going to start their stuff at the talent show. And meanwhile, they're also making flip-flops and friendship bracelets.
Dance all night, dance all night.
We're both trying to inspire the girls with our ridiculous outfits here.